Hello, in this video we're gonna perform a Wi-Fi speed test on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. So we're gonna check how fast is the Wi-Fi compared to the direct internet connection on PC. So over here I have my results from PC. The download is 911 megabits per second and the upload is 508. So we can see immediately on the device that the download speed is actually bigger, which is surprising. And then we also have the upload speed, which is also bigger than the one that I have on my PC. So it seems that the internet speed or the Wi-Fi speed actually is pretty good on this device. Of course, the speed of Wi-Fi depends also on the Wi-Fi itself. But if we compare the same Wi-Fi, then we should get a pretty good results without losing any internet speed. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!